Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I am super happy that you're here. So today we are gonna use some KMG dips. I actually purchased two of the two solid colors I bought with my own money, and then the glitter dip that we'll get into later was given to me for my ambassador package. So some of the products and the clear was also gifted to me as part of my ambassador package. So I just want to be transparent, but the glitter is beautiful and I would have ordered it if she didn't send it to me anyway, because it's gorgeous. So on the pinky and ring finger, we're going to do two dips of this color. It's called Pink Rocks. It does glow. I didn't get any glow pictures. It just, I don't know. Whenever I only have a couple nails that are glowing, it's going to be one of those days. Then typically I don't get pictures. I usually only do that if I have like decals over it or stamping over it or oh my. Yep. We're having fun today. Anyway, I think you get the point of what I'm trying to say. So, we're doing lilacs now, which is this gorgeous lilac color with a shimmer in it. It is, it makes my heart happy because if you know anything about me or if you follow me on Instagram, you know that purple's kind of my color. So, I do this first layer and then I go back and I do a second layer on the pinky and the thumb only, and I don't leave that on camera because this video does get a little bit long with the glitter application. So here I am just clear capping the pinky and clear capping the thumb, and I think I mentioned this in a video one or two back that I've been having trouble with clear. Like it has nothing to do with this clear, it's any clear. It just has been clouding up. So I found that if I put the clear on and then I go around the cuticles and then I kind of just take my finger and I just kind of soak it into the dip with my finger and then dust it off right away, even though I'm using odorless, that seems to be the magic and I am not having any issues with clear anymore. So that makes me happy. And then I'm totally fine filing and buffing, no issues there either. So I'm going to, I don't actually know what I'm going to do. I was going to say let you guys watch, but I'm about to get into the glitter application. So we are doing this beautiful glitter called April Showers. And I have a hair like in my dip. It was so frustrating. Love it when this happens, but okay, got it out, all good. So we're going to do full layer of the glitter application on my middle finger, and I do dip twice. Not twice right now, but well, I do that too. But anyway, I do two layers of the glitter dip, which usually I try not to do because it does make it a little thicker. And it was a little thicker than the rest, which does kind of bother me. But I mean, the pictures looked great. The Manny looked great. It's a me thing. But I'm trying to get to the point where I can just do one. I just am having a really hard time doing that. So, and then I'm doing a vertical ombre on Pink Rocks, and then I'll do a vertical ombre on the lilacs, and then I will get into, so I only do one coat of the vertical ombres, and then when I go in to do the clear, I actually will hand place some glitters and then dip into the clear, and you guys will see that. So, and I also do that with the full glitter nail. So I'm going to let you guys watch now because I've talked enough, but I will be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm bad.
Just wanted to pop in really quickly and say this is one of the things that I absolutely love about odorless liquids. And even if I didn't have to use them, I probably would in a lot of cases because I have so much time for glitter application. Like I can just sit here and add as many as, well, you are going to run out of time eventually, but this does only take a few minutes. Even though it is sped up and it looks like it's going a lot faster, it was a lot slower. But I can just sit there and pick out all the ones that I want, add them wherever I want, move things around, whatnot, and then dip into the clear, and I'm golden. And I don't know that I mentioned it. Actually, I don't think I did. So after I do this step with all three nails, all three glitter nails, and then I go dip into the clear, I will also do another full layer of clear. And that's just, I really want to protect those glitters so that I don't file into them because that distorts the color, and who wants that? So it did work out great. I did not have any issues with filing. There might have been some that were a little bit cut into, but not anything noticeable. Didn't show up in pictures or anything like that. So that's all. I will be back.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake.
Okay, so I did my second clear cap and we are good and ready. So I do like this dropper bottle for like certain things. It's just got some activator in it, and so I just kind of do a little drop all over the nail, and then I go in with my silicone finger thing. Doohickey, I think that's what I've been calling it. We'll just stick with that because it's kind of funny. And then I just press those glitters as flat as I can, just so that they look better. You can use a baggie, you can use your finger if you want. I don't like really doing that because I don't want to expose my fingers to too much. I do, obviously, as you saw with the clear, I do use my fingers, but it's not really a good idea because I think the more exposure you give yourself, the more chance you have of developing allergies, which, as you guys know, I already have done that with gel. So I just would prefer to minimize any of those risks. Speaking of gel, we're going to do a gel top coat. What? Are you serious? Yes, I'm serious. So I haven't talked about my allergies too much on this channel, but first of all, we've got our clicky sound, so we're good to go file. And this is what we're looking like after filing. So this is Dipalicious Gel Base. I've had it for a while, but this is one of the ones that I hadn't really used because I was so obsessed with the other brand that I use, which I'm not going to name because it's not their fault I developed a gel allergy. It was HEMA-free. It's a great great, great product. I don't have enough good things to say. Yeah, I have nothing but good things to say about them. And that's what I use on my niece. So, literally I developed gel allergies because last summer it was 100 degrees in my nail area and I kept doing my nails. I didn't have a way to keep them cold. I do now. And because it was so hot, I could not keep the gel off my skin no matter how hard I tried. Yes, I cleaned it up right away. And my allergies are a little bit weird. I don't get bumps. I don't get itching. Oh, by the way, that was gel based and I cured for 30 seconds and now I'm doing the thumb. I don't get any itching. I don't get any burning. I don't get any bumps, nothing like that. But the skin around my sidewalls and my cuticles and underneath my free edge, peels badly, like gross. Like, I mean, I was wearing cuticle oil 10 times a day and it did not matter. So here's the gel top coat. I'm going to put this on. I'm going to flip my hand over for like 10 seconds and then I'm going to cure for 1 minute. Okay. So yeah, my gel allergies are minimal. The reason I decided to stop using gel, even if it was cautious, even if it was winter, it didn't matter, is because the more exposure you have, the worse the allergy is going to get. That's the way it works with any kind of allergies. So I just figured it was best just to move on from gel and go with something else. And I do love the odorless liquids. I actually love the odorless top coat, the color of my world, but I'm out. And well, I'm not out. I have a little bit left. I've been using it as my base because it's contaminated or something. The top coat's not looking right. So I used the Dipalicious only on 3 manis, and now because I was waiting on an order of some regular dip liquids that I've heard, and we'll get into that in the next video, were not low odor specifically, but they weren't giving people that have dip flu. So when we get into the next video, I'll talk more about that. But that is why I used the gel base and the gel top coat, and it is stunning. The Dipalicious is great. It's HEMA-free. I highly recommend it, unless you have gel allergies. Stay away from gel. But I didn't seem to have any reaction to these. I just don't want to take the chance, so I'm not, they're kind of like an emergency stash, we'll call it. So I have talked a lot. If you guys have any questions about my gel allergies or gel allergies in general, I will answer what I feel comfortable answering, but I am in no way professional or experienced enough. I can only tell you guys my situation, and that's it. So I'm going to let you guys listen to music the rest of the video. After we do this, we get into our cuticle oil, and if you stick around to the end, you'll see some of the cute pictures that I took, and it's so pretty. And I highly recommend KMG Design Dips. Yes, I do ambassador for them, but I also buy a lot, and I would buy so much more if I was in the position where I would literally sell her out. She has gorgeous dips. You can save using my discount code, which is Jill15. All that information will be in the description box. And give her a shot and join her Facebook group because we have a lot of fun. Okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you have any comments, I would love to hear them. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.